While major social media platforms and online marketplaces dominate the affiliate marketing landscape, there are niche platforms like Gab.com that offer unique opportunities for affiliate marketers. Today, we'll show you how to effectively do affiliate marketing on Gab.com. Gab.com is a social media platform similar to Facebook, and it's currently growing, and 70% of people come from the United States. Let's understand the user base of Gab.com. They value free speech and seek alternative perspectives. 70% of users are male. Make sure your promotions align with their interests and beliefs. You can choose affiliate products that resonate with Gab.com users. Niches like politics, crypto, finance, and niche hobbies like gaming and photography can work wonders. If you have a blog related to politics, news, or finance, it'll be easy to promote affiliate products on your blog. However, if you don't have a blog, we will show how to use Gab.com to promote affiliate URLs. If you don't have a Gab.com account yet, sign up and create a professional profile. Engage with others genuinely to build a positive reputation. You can easily join with groups related to your niche. Create engaging content to showcase your affiliate products. Try videos, articles, and eye-catching graphics that capture the audience's attention. You can use ChatGPT to create content. Just go to Gab.com and search posts related to your niche and find what type of stuff people share on Gab.com. Then give a command to ChatGPT to write the post. You can repeat the process. Always give value to your audience. Avoid directly sharing affiliate URLs. Instead, use Linktree or a landing page to promote your affiliate products naturally. You can add URLs for each and every post you share, but avoid spammy behavior and resist the temptation to flood the platform with affiliate links. Instead, incorporate your affiliate links naturally into your content, ensuring they add value to your audience. Engage with Gab.com communities related to your niche. Participate in discussions and share your content when relevant to expand your reach. You can try to create a niche-targeted profile while promoting the affiliate product. In the future, you'll be able to build a brand on Gab.com. Now you're ready to start affiliate marketing on Gab.com. Understand the community, create valuable content, and strategically incorporate affiliate links. Be authentic and engage genuinely with the users. Happy affiliate marketing on Gab.com.